Over 800 years ago, a hero rose from the sands of time, a leader who embodied justice, bravery, and compassion. His name was Saladin. In 1187, Saladin, the Sultan of Egypt and Syria, embarked on a mission to reclaim Jerusalem from the Crusaders. His vision was clear: to restore peace and unity to a land torn by conflict. Through wisdom and courage, Saladin achieved a decisive victory at the Battle of Hattin. But it wasn't just his military prowess that defined him. It was his humanity. When he entered Jerusalem, Saladin chose mercy over vengeance. He protected civilians, respected sacred sites, and offered safe passage to those who wished to leave. His actions were a beacon of hope. Saladin's legacy reminds us that no matter how difficult the struggle, justice and peace can prevail. His story is our story, a testament to resilience and faith to the people of Palestine. Remember Saladin's spirit. Hold on to hope, stand strong, and believe in a brighter future. Our history is filled with triumphs, and together we will create new ones.